My name is Anthony Beckford, and I am the City Council candidate for District 45, which is Flatbush, East Flatbush, Midwood Marine Park, Kensington, Flatlands, and also Midwood. I'm running because the people need a true representation. The people need somebody who actually understands, the issues that are going on, who's been boots on the ground from the beginning to make sure that solutions are provided for our issues. I've been aligned with the Pakistani community even before there was even an election. I've been out here with groups like Pakistani American Youth Society and many organizations in the Pakistani community, making sure that we do food distributions, especially during this pandemic here, but also celebrating many of the most treasured, celebrations and holidays of the community, because this is how you know that you're one community. This is how you connect with the people. This is how you know who is who, in regards to community leaders, in regards to community members, in regards to, who the local imams are, in regards to who the moms are in the community who need the assistance that are needed. I've been out here advocating for the small business owners within the district to make sure that they receive the relief that they need, but also to make sure that they are able to stay open and able to service the community. The reason why, again, I am the best choice for this community is because I am a fellow community member. I have been boots on the ground with the community for the longest time now, and I will continue doing so, whether there was a campaign or not a campaign. I'm always with y'all. I'm a brother, and y'all my family. So on June 22nd, the best thing to teach you about ranked choice voting is mark me, Anthony Beckford, as #1. That is the best possible solution that you can do when it comes to voting. You can mark other candidates. You have up to 5 candidates that you can vote, mark out from 1 through 5. But when you mark me as #1, you're actually voting for yourself. You're voting for the community. This is a way for you to be able to say, this is the candidate that we like the most, and this is the candidates who we like after that candidate. Marking me as #1 means that the community comes in #1.